Welcome to Fire Prevention and Control. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, workplace fires and explosions kill approximately 200 and injure more than 5,000 workers each year. In addition to deaths and injuries, uncontrolled fires destroy thousands of businesses each year, putting people out of work and creating tremendous financial hardship on both employees and employers. After successfully completing this course, you'll be able to identify employee and employer responsibilities under OSHA, identify OSHA standards and inspections, define the chemistry of fire, specify the dangers of fire and recognize common fire hazards, classify types of fires and fire extinguishers, identify the basic requirements of emergency response and evacuation planning, and specify the requirements of alarm systems. You will also be able to identify the general requirements of egress, for example, exit standards. Specify how to prevent workplace fires, identify how to respond to a fire, and specify the proper use of portable fire extinguishers. OSHA requires that employees be told about the fire hazards of the materials and processes to which they are exposed and how to protect themselves in the event of an emergency or fire. Click here to learn more about OSHA's emergency and fire prevention regulations. There are also very detailed OSHA training standards for employers to establish fire brigades. Click here to view more information regarding fire brigades. Workplace inspections are done by your company periodically and authorized OSHA inspectors to ensure that the following standards are being met: proper emergency exits, firefighting equipment, a water supply, flammable and combustible liquids, and welding and cutting operations. Click on the highlighted terms to learn more about their handling. Other inspections include housekeeping, electrical cords, evacuation signs, and alarm systems. Click on the highlighted terms to learn more about their handling.
4 elements must be present for a fire to occur: heat, fuel, oxygen, and a chemical chain reaction between heat, fuel, and oxygen. In general terms, a fire occurs when heat is applied to a fuel source in the presence of oxygen. When sufficient heat is applied to the fuel, a chemical reaction occurs, causing additional heat to be given off and the fuel to be consumed.
What is required to start a fire? Click the necessary elements below. Correct. 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 Congratulations! You are now ready to continue with the course.